Hello everyone, this is Ivy Crearts again, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I painted this bag with a Louis Vuitton print, and it's really colorful and I like it. What do you think? If you like it, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified of my upcoming videos. So let's see. By the way, just a disclaimer, this no, there's no disclaimer, forget about it. So this is the bag. First, you're going to fill it up with newspapers, and then you're going to, what's next? Paint it with black, or maybe you could just buy a black bag. And now it's all black, and I'm ready to print the design. I used a white pen, and these are my paints. And now I'm starting to paint it with colors. These are my paints again, and this is how it looks like. There you have it. My paints again. What? It's okay. And then this is the bag, just letting it dry. And there you have it. What do you think, guys? If you have any suggestions on what do I paint next, comment down below, and I hope you like it.
Thanks for
See you next
watching.
time.